You ever notice how some dudes just look, well, just clean as fuck? Not rich, not loud, not on some put a logo on everything-ish. Everyone else is killing themselves to keep up with. Just clean. You can't even explain it at first. He walks in and everything about him says he got his life together. Skin smooth, beard lined, clothes fresh, breath not committing crimes. Meanwhile, some dude's trying to throw a designer belt over ashy ankles, chapped lips, and a mustache that's been living rent-free on his top lip like it signed a lease and changed the locks. That's not the flex, my brother. That's not luxury. That's a distraction with a receipt. Here's the truth nobody tells you, king. The clean boy aesthetic ain't about money, it's about maintenance. It's 100 small things done right until your whole presence starts looking intentional. And for us as black men, this matters even more, because for melanated skin, things like 4C hair, razor bumps, dark marks, beard lines, dry skin, lips, and dandruff, all that can either make you look crispy or cooked. So today I'm giving you the full no BS blueprint: the shower, the skin, the face, the breath, the deodorant, the lineup, the dandruff, the hair truth, the razor bumps, the lips, the fragrance, the clothes, and that last piece most dudes skip: presence. Stick with me, because that last one is what takes you from looking like you tried to actually being that guy. Step 1. The shower. Please put the body wash down. That little squirt of gel on a loofah or whatever ain't cutting through a full day of sweat and funk. You need 2 bars, because using the same soap on your body that you use on your privates is nuts, bro. No pun intended. For your body and pits, grab Dr. Bronner's unscented soap bar. It's a stronger, no-nonsense soap. And for your sensitive areas, get the Vanicream cleansing bar. It's gentle and made for sensitive skin areas, and actually helps balance out your pH. So that means no more musty, funky cocoa nuts. That's it. 2 actual bars, not a 27-in-1 body wash. You got 1 bar for the body and 1 for the sensitive zones. I dropped links to both in the description. So do your body and your balls a favor. Scroll down and actually grab them. And listen, use a rag. If your skin's melanated and you got afro hair, then you already know you're supposed to use a rag. If you just run a dry bar over your body with bare hands, then bro, that's a rinse, not a shower. And don't forget to hit the spots everybody misses: behind your ears, in and around them, between your toes, and even the bottoms of your feet. Cause if you wanna be a clean boy, you gotta be clean, all the way clean. Not just I smelled good when I left the house clean. Step 2. Lock the skin in. Moisturize while you're still damp. Don't scroll and let your skin dry out, then act shocked when your elbows look like powdered donuts by noon. So here's how to actually double moisturize. First, grab La Roche-Posay's Triple Repair Lotion, then seal it with a butter, shea or cocoa butter. I personally like Better Shea Butter's whipped shea butter, or you can go with Tree Hut body butter if you want that scented signature people catch up close. The lotion locks the moisture in, and the butter seals it. That's double moisturizing. If you actually want to stay hydrated and smell good all day, I've linked the lotion and both butters in the description. If you're tired of stepping out the shower feeling fresh and turning dry as baby powder 10 minutes later, scroll down and grab these. Trust me, you'll need them. Step 3. The face. We're double cleansing, because body soap and hot water on your face is not skincare. That's a fight. Grab the Round Lab Double Cleansing Set, the 2-step pore clarifying cleanser. It's an oil cleanser plus a water-based cleanser, so grime comes off without your face usually feeling stripped. If your face still feels dirty after you wash it, I linked the set below. For dark marks, use Mad Hippie Vitamin C in the day, then Prequel Lucent C at night, because Prequel is stronger and that combo helps fade dark spots twice as fast. Then protect it with Round Lab's Birch Juice Moisturizing Sunscreen. It's SPF 50. Which is what we need, because we need strong sun protection. I know that's 3 Round Lab products, but trust me, it's for good reason. And yeah, sunscreen. Now I know what you're already thinking. Sunscreen? What sunscreen? My skin's black, I don't need no damn sunscreen. But you actually do. The sun darkens those spots right back up. If you want those dark marks to fade, then I've linked the Round Lab Double Cleansing Set, Mad Hippie Vitamin C, Prequel Vitamin C, and Round Lab Birch Juice Moisturizing Sunscreen below in the description. Scroll down and grab the face setup, because hope is not a serum and dirty, unprotected skin will keep undoing the work. Step 4. Oral care. Nothing kills clean faster than looking fresh and opening your mouth like the air got cursed. Get the Oral-B IO Series 3. This is an electric toothbrush and it cleans way better than your regular brush. The vibrations help remove more plaque, brush faster, and reach spots you might miss. By the time you brush once, this thing has already done the work 20 times over. I linked it below. Also, make sure to brush your teeth twice a day, grab a tongue scraper, and floss. Doing the basics consistently is essential. Fresh breath is non-negotiable. So if your breath and teeth ever made you talk from 2 feet farther back, scroll down and grab the toothbrush and tongue scraper. And stop letting your mouth betray the clean boy aesthetic. Step 5. Deodorant. Here's the thing about aluminum-free deodorants. It's a good concept, because you're not flooding your armpits and your pores with toxic chemicals. But unfortunately, most of them just don't work. You put it on, and an hour later, maybe 2, you already smell like you ain't showered in days. Megababe deodorant is different. It smells clean, warm, grown, and it actually holds up without the aluminum and all that other toxic junk. Most creators don't care about your well-being. I do. So if you actually want a deodorant that isn't trying to kill you and actually works, I've left a link down in my description. Scroll down and grab it. Step 6, the lineup. We all know it's important to get a lineup and to get it consistently. But this is where most dudes fall off, because I'm not talking about going to the barber every 2 weeks. I'm talking about everything in between. Because when that hair grows wild and starts creeping over your top lip, it takes you from homeboy to homeless in the blink of an eye. Grab the Stylecraft Saber. If you're only gonna own one trimmer, this is that trimmer. Every man should at least be able to line up his mustache and edge up his beard. If your face only got boundaries when your barber is involved, I linked the Stylecraft Saber below. Grab it because a 2-minute touch-up can save the whole look. Step 7, dandruff. Flakes on a dark shirt is nasty work. Dandruff ain't always dry scalp. A lot of times it's a fungus called malassezia, and regular shampoo won't fix that. You need an antifungal. So grab Nizoral antifungal shampoo and swap it for your regular shampoo a couple times a week. If your scalp exposes you every time you wear black, grab it and stop letting flakes accessorize your outfit. Step 8, the hair truth. Let me go ahead and tell you the hard truth, cause this one's a big one. Straight up, if you're not gonna maintain it, you don't need it. Simple as that. If you're not someone who's gonna consistently line up your facial hair, or you're not in the process of growing out a real beard, then you straight up don't need it. And the same goes for the hair on top of your head. If you're not gonna put in the energy, the money, or the time to keep your fro shaped up, healthy, and detangled, or keep up with your locks, then honestly a clean, low, manageable cut is gonna look 100 times better on you than a tangled, half-grown, nappy mess. Now, don't get me wrong. A well-kept fro or fresh locks will always look immaculate. What I'm talking about is the difference between a man who maintains his hair and one who just lets it happen. If you really want to match the clean boy aesthetic, be the one who maintains it. And if you can't right now, keep it low. No shame in that. Step 9, razor bumps. If you're getting bumps and dark spots on your cheeks, you need to do 2 things. 1, exfoliate before you shave. And 2, honestly, put the razor down. For a lot of us, razors just don't agree with our skin. They cause ingrowns, bumps, and hyperpigmentation that darkens the whole area. I couldn't even tell you exactly why, but it just does. So if you've been wondering why it seems like it gets darker every time you shave, that's why. Throw the razor away and use that trimmer I recommended. A trimmer's way better because it won't cut and irritate your skin the way a razor does, while still giving you those sharp, precise lines you're looking for. Step 10, lip care. So many black men have dry, cracked lips and don't clock it. Your skin's glowing, the fit's clean, but then your lips look like the sidewalk outside a corner store. Our lips are the thinnest skin on our entire body, and they don't produce their own oil like the rest of our skin. That's why they dry out. Grab Aquaphor Lip Repair. It's cheap, simple, and it works. It's a staple and it belongs in the pocket of every black man. If your lips been cracking or peeling, I linked Aquaphor Lip Repair below. Grab it because chapped lips will ruin a clean face quick. Step 11, fragrance. If you grabbed scented shea butter and aluminum-free deodorant, you're already clean up close. But if you want to be memorable, get a real fragrance. So here's some you should try. Dior Sauvage is the safe default. YSL Myself is modern and clean. JPG Lamel Elixir is sweeter and louder. And Parfum de Marley Layton is smooth, rich, grown man energy. Before they remember your name, they remember how you smell. If you smell like nothing right now, you're making a huge mistake. I've left a link to the scented shea butter and every fragrance I mentioned down in the description. Scroll down, grab one, and start smelling like something today. Step 12. Clean clothes. Clean doesn't have to be complex, it can be simple. A nice pair of jeans and a crispy premium white ironed or steamed tee beats a dude wearing 5 layers, 3 chains, loud sneakers, and a shirt fighting for its life every single time. White on melanated skin accentuates the physique and silhouette, like a fresh pair of white Air Forces. Neutral colors work. Black can look clean too, but fit still matters, king. Step 13. Presence. Clean doesn't just live on your body, it lives in your space, your room, your car, your bag. A man who's truly clean, it shows up everywhere he is. You can't have glowing skin and a car smelling like old fries and gym socks fighting in the back seat. You can't have the lineup sharp and a room with laundry piles forming mountain ranges. You can't talk about clean aesthetic and your pillowcase been through 3 seasons with no wash. That's not clean, that's cosplay. You're literally LARPing. And it gets deeper than just hygiene too. A man who eats right, works out, drinks water, keeps his space handled, and keeps his life in order reads different. He looks more premium because there's structure behind him. Get the shower right, lock the skin in, handle the face, fix the breath, use deodorant that works, keep the lineup sharp, control dandruff, be honest about your hair, stop letting razors tear your skin up, keep your lips smooth, pick a fragrance, wear clean clothes, then let all that add up to a man whose whole presence says clean before he ever says a word. That's the difference between looking clean and being clean. And this is how to real life achieve the clean boy aesthetic. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you super enjoyed it, leave a super thanks. It's like leaving a little tip and it directly helps out the channel. If you haven't already, subscribe and turn on post notifications so you can continue to see our videos and get your weekly dose of betterness. And remember, with every one of our videos you watch, you take one step closer to becoming an even better version of yourself. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay smooth like butter.